This is how to clone project in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to Projects and click this plus icon to create a new project. Then choose your project templates. Let's select this software development and click this import data to a new project. You can use applications like Asana or Monday, but we will clone a Jira project. So we will select Jira software project. You can also export a CSV file of a project and import this as CSV. So we will use Jira software project and we will select a project we want to clone. Let's say mobile app. Click next and we will name this project as a clone of mobile app and click next. And field mapping is mapped. We will now click import and we will wait for a few minutes so that Jira can import the project data to our new project. Now the cloning is finished and you can see here the clone of mobile app and here's the original project, and this is how to clone project in Jira.